Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to use the medal on your PC to record and share your gaming clip. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to medal.tv. Once you're in the website, click Download Medal button. Choose the folder that you want to save the file and click Save. And after download finishes, click the download icon in the top right corner and open the installer. The model will begin preparing and installing, and once the installation is complete, you'll be asked to create an account. You can sign up using Discord or email and choose email. Enter your email address and click Continue. Next, create a password and continue again. Enter your date of birth and choose your username. Your account is ready and you'll move to Recorder Setup. You can choose how you want the medal to record, if clip gameplay, record full sessions, or use a bookmarks while recording. Select the storage limit, and this allows the medal to automatically delete the older clips when you reach the limit. And after that, choose your video resolution and decide if you want the microphone audio recorded. You can choose do not record microphone or record microphone in clips. You will see extra settings that you can adjust based on your preferences. And finally, select the country code, enter your phone number, and click Get a Link to finish setup. And that's it. Medal is now ready and you can start capturing and share your favorite gaming moments directly from your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.